Hello and welcome back, and we're gonna continue. So this is what I have so far. Um, so we have our child container. So let me close this so that we can see the entire code. So we've got our material app, and we've got our center that has a container. Then we have like defined some container properties like margin, padding, some width and height. And there is a center child, and this child contains text. That's what the text is showing up here. We have some style for the text, and we are using box decoration, and we are exploring different gradient properties within the box decoration. Okay, so if you haven't seen the last video, I would encourage you to see the last video, because this is part of series. So if you're following along, this knowledge is gonna build upon last videos as you see them. Okay, so let's continue. Um, so in this video, we're going to explore, there's a property called begin, and this is basically offset at which the stop 0.0 of the gradient is placed. Okay, so let's take a look how it affects it, and example can tell better than talking about it. So let's choose, so let's select alignment, dot center right, for example. So if we change that, there's like, and let's change it, let's change end as well. So alignment center right. Okay, so if we change that, okay, so let's see if we are missing, I think we are missing some, we're missing a parenthesis somewhere. Yeah, okay, so let's balance it out. Let's add one, let's add another one, and there we go. Okay, so that's better. All right, so let's take a look. So let's do it center left. Okay, so as you can see, our sides are flipped. So if we do center, bottom center, there we go, how our gradient has moved. And so it begins bottom center, and so bottom left, and let's change this to bottom right. Okay, so as you can see how our gradient is actually, this alignment property is affecting our gradient. Okay, so there are some, so you can do top left and bottom right, for example. If you do that, we should get this like, diagonally. There we go. So as you can see how it's basically affecting, the alignment property is affecting our gradient. So you can actually try it out, and depending upon your need, you can make this just to your need. Okay, so play around with this alignment property. It's very interesting actually to see everything in real time. So you can actually very easily modify and achieve the effect that you're looking for. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.